Hello and welcome back to the Yummy Vibes. Today we are making something quick, healthy and absolutely delicious. The Suji Veggie Delight. A healthy fusion that's perfect for breakfast, snacks or even a light dinner. So let's get started. In a bowl, add some finely chopped onions, tomatoes, bright red bell pepper, crisp capsicum, sweet yellow bell pepper. Toss in some fresh coriander and sprinkle of chili flakes. Add 2 tablespoons of suji and another 2 tablespoons of malai. Mix it all together to form a nice colorful batter. Now season it with about half tablespoon of salt, 1/4 tablespoon of red chili powder and 1 tablespoon of milk. Mix everything thoroughly again until the mixture looks smooth. Take 4 slices of bread and evenly spread this flavorful suji veggie mixture on one side of each slice. Now it's time to toast. Heat a pan or tawa and add a little butter. Place the bread slices mixture side down onto the pan. While the bottom side cooks, apply some butter on the plain side of the bread. Now flip it. You'll notice a beautiful golden brown crust forming on the suji side. It's crisping up perfectly. Place another slice of bread on top to make it a sandwich and gently press. Keep flipping until both sides are evenly toasted and irresistibly crispy. Keep the flame low for a perfect crisp. Once golden brown, take them off the pan. Cut each sandwich into half and just look at that. Gorgeous veggie layer inside. Crisp on the outside, soft and flavorful on the inside. This sandwich is a wholesome treat. It's packed with veggies, has no cheese or mayo, and it is still full of flavor. Healthy never tasted this good. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Yummy Vibes for more easy and delicious recipes. Thank you for watching and see you soon.